All right, so let's take a look at women going from long to short hair. So here we have someone, she has some long waist length hair. Stylist cuts that hair right off. Ooh, beautiful asymmetrical pixie with the undercut. I love the design. Oh, this is cute. Very nice. And then here we have someone that looks like she wants a bob. A little bit of a longer bob style. Bangs to frame out the face. Gorgeous, chic, and modern shoulder length bob style. Next up, we have someone with hair around shoulder length. Oh, looks like she got a nice little bob refresh here. Very short and chic mini bob cuts. And it's just above the jawline. And then we move on to someone who has shoulder length hair. She gets a nice, fresh, modern bob as well. This one kind of feels like a French girl style bob. The overall shape and the bangs going there in the front. Oh, I love it. Very cute. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. So this looks like he's cutting in some layers. Okay, so now she's getting a blowout. So she's getting kind of like the layered look here. Now this is a great way to add some shape to your hair. You just want to mix it up, do a little bit of a trim. And I think the bangs definitely added some volume to her hair overall. She has some thick hair, but the bangs just added more flair. And then we have another bob with bangs. Oh. What a gorgeous bob. So pretty. So next up we have a pixie in the works. I really like her outfit. So the stylist places the hair in ponytails and lets her do a self DIY cut. Now the inspiration did show some curly pixies, so let's see if that's what she ends up getting. Oh, wow. So cute. Now she can add some curls at the top with like some perm rods if she wanted it to be a little bit curlier, but this is really cute. She can do a lot of like wash and goes with this look. It has a nice tousled shape. All right, watch me get a short bob. Her face looks like she's terrified. Oh, I love how much volume this has. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.